Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away to access password and security. Now tap on face next to lock screen password and tap on agree. Following that, you need to enter your current login method and tap on continue at the bottom. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then click on done and adjust all of those face unlock options however you wish to. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. If you want to delete your face data, go into face again, enter your screen lock, and tap on delete next to face data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!